Today, we review the best 5 tea kettles that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. With stainless steel accents. It is a 1500 watts cordless kettle that allows 360 degrees rotation on its base. The handle is heat resistant and anti-slip and contains food-grade silicone. There is no BPA in this kettle. The lid is easy opening and wider for easier filling, although some users may experience looseness with the lid fitting at times.
Number 4.
OXO Classic Tea Kettle. The OXO Classic Tea Kettle is a traditional shaped kettle made from high-grade 18/8 stainless steel, although it can still be susceptible to some rusting. Its heat-resistant handle rotates out of the way when filling through its large opening. The spout cap has a silicone touch spot for when you need to open it for easy pouring. This is a 1.7 quart whistling kettle.
Number 5.
Fino pour-over coffee kettle. The Fino pour-over coffee kettle has a 1L. Made from 18/8 stainless steel in Japan, it has a narrow gooseneck spout that slows down pouring to help maximize flavor from tea and coffee. The handle is thermoplastic and high temperature, and this kettle is suitable for electric, induction and gas stovetops, although it does not have a whistle function. It is also dishwasher safe.